Here are the seeds. Written by Jane Brown-Wood. Illustrated by Olivia Amoa. And read by Mr. C, the teacher. Here are the seeds that we will sow to help our garden grow. Here is the earth that nurture the seeds that we have sown to help our garden grow. Here are the plants that spring from the earth that nurtures the seeds that we have sown to help our garden grow. Oh no! Here is the sun that feeds all the plants that spring from the earth that nurtures the seeds that we have sown to help our garden grow. Oh no! Here is the water that works with the sun to feed all the plants that spring from the earth that nurtures the seeds that we have sown to help our garden grow. Oh no! Here are the mushrooms that soak up the water that works with the sun to feed all the plants that spring from the earth that nurtures the seeds that we have sown to help our garden grow. Oh no! Here are the worms that munch on the mushrooms that soak up the water that works with the sun to feed all the plants that spring from the earth that nurtures the seeds that we have sown to help our garden grow. Wait! What's that? Here are the treasures that came from the seeds that we have sown to help our garden and nearby nature. Glow. How does the garden grow? Living things such as seeds, soil, bugs, and other plants, and non-living things such as water and sunlight, work together to help a garden grow. All of these elements make up the garden's ecosystem, but too much of one element might make it hard for the plants to stay healthy, which is why balance is a key. Earth. While the planet that we live on is called Earth, the term Earth also means soil. Soil is made up of living things such as plants and insects, things that were once alive, such as dead animals and plants, and non-living things such as minerals, air, and water. The combination of these materials makes a perfect environment for new plants to grow as they pull nutrients and water from the soil. Water. Plants are mostly made of water, and water is key for a plant to live and grow. Plants pull water up from the soil through their roots. Then the water moves to different parts of the plant to keep it strong and flexible. Water also plays an essential role in photosynthesis, the process that plants use to make food from sunlight. But too much water can damage the plant and keep it from getting the oxygen it needs. Sun. Sunlight is important for plants to live and grow. Through photosynthesis, plants make their own food using sunlight, water, air, and chlorophyll, a substance found in all green plants. Some plants need lots of sun, while others only need a few hours each day and might burn with too much sun. Bugs and worms. A garden is a habitat, a home or place to live, for bugs and worms. Some help the garden, such as bees that pollinate flowers. Worms help gardens by eating materials in the soil and then making nutrient-rich waste that can help fertilize plants. Others are pests, and that might hurt the garden, such as aphids, slugs, and spider mites that might bite small holes in the plant leaves. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are fungi that grow in very wet places. They play an important role because they are decomposers. They can break down organic, living, or used to be living, material found in the soil into matter that plants can use to grow. Some mushrooms are safe to eat, and some wild mushrooms can be harmful. Always check with a grown-up before touching a mushroom.